Bangladesh. News update. May 19, 2025. Key developments shaping Bangladesh today. Summary of economic, political, and social events. Politics and government. News. Parliament debates new electoral reform bill. Context. Aimed at increasing transparency, reduces campaign finance limits by 20%. Data. Opposition parties stage walkout, citing lack of consensus. Source. The Daily Star report confirms the walkout, published today. Economy and development. News. Central Bank announces GDP growth forecast of 6.8% for fiscal year 2025-26. Context. Driven by garment exports and infrastructure projects. Data. Foreign exchange reserves rise to $38 billion, up 5% from last quarter. Source. Bangladesh Bank press release details economic performance. Climate and environment. News. Severe flooding impacts coastal districts due to Cyclone, Roanu, aftermath. Context. Over 100,000 people displaced. Relief efforts underway. Data. Government allocates $50 million for immediate disaster relief. Source. Disaster Management Ministry statement, updated 5 p.m. today. Social and cultural news. Dhaka University celebrates its 104th anniversary with a week-long program. Context. Focus on innovation and sustainable development. Data. Over 5,000 alumni expected to attend various events. Source. Dhaka University official website, events calendar. Looking ahead. Key issues to watch in the coming weeks. Outcome of the electoral reform bill debate. Effectiveness of flood relief and rehabilitation efforts. Progress on key infrastructure projects.